185 in Helsinki. P98 4863 8 Porso 630 kilograms. Inspektionspaikki vai meitä Pohjois.
Amazing. Built in 1984, it's here on Kalevalantie, Kalevalantie 5, here in Pohjois-Tapiola, Norrangalund, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, modernized Finland, the silver is H63287. Because these 8 purchase orders, 630 grams, will be 40 years old in 2024. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023, and also deserve 2 rights. But then maybe from 1985 this could be even beginning of 1985 also. But none of them got a hydraulic one. Could have been one hydraulic there also. And then this is probably late 1984. But you were so scared when somebody...
Yeah.
Well, it was just a customer.
Mm.
Hydraulic, and today is the 9th of November 2022. So I think we can take pictures from here.
Yeah.
That's it, and thank you very much for watching. It's bad they don't have this here now.
Yeah. That's